In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for and pass your QuickBooks Certification Exam. If you're diving into the world of accounting software, getting QuickBooks certified can open up new opportunities and enhance your professional credibility. This process might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, you'll find it both manageable and rewarding. First, let's talk about studying the official guide and practicing quizzes. This is your foundation. The official QuickBooks study guide is designed to help you understand the platform's various functionalities and how best to utilize them. So, make sure you thoroughly read through this guide. As you study, a good strategy is to take notes on key concepts and features. After you've digested the material, it's time to reinforce your knowledge with practice quizzes. These quizzes not only test your understanding, but also help you get comfortable with the type of questions you might encounter in the actual exam. Many of these quizzes are available online for free or as part of the study materials package. Now let's move on to getting hands-on experience in QuickBooks. While theory is important, nothing beats real-world practice. If you have access to QuickBooks, spend time navigating the interface, experimenting with different features, and performing sample tasks. This hands-on practice is invaluable, as the certification exam will expect you to perform tasks in QuickBooks with ease and accuracy. If you don't have a business of your own to practice with, consider creating a fictional business. Use this as a sandbox to play around, make mistakes, and learn from them in a pressure-free environment. After you feel confident with your study and practice, the next step is to schedule your exam through Intuit. Registering for the exam is a straightforward process. Go to the Intuit website and find the Certification Exam section. Choose the QuickBooks Certification Exam and follow the prompts to schedule it. It's a good idea to select a date that gives you enough time to review your materials but isn't too far away. This way, the information remains fresh in your memory. Ensure you follow any instructions provided for exam day to make the process as smooth as possible. Finally, when the big day arrives, take the exam with confidence. You've prepared thoroughly, so take a moment to breathe and calm any nerves before the start. During the exam, carefully read each question and avoid rushing your responses. If you encounter a tricky question, it's okay to flag it and come back later. With your preparations, you'll find that tackling the exam isn't as intimidating as it might have seemed at first. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success. Embrace the process, and soon you'll be QuickBooks certified. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your exam.